Hello, we're not talking about this today. We're talking about this today. Hey. Yeah, Origin. So, let's run my Steam. Yeah, you have a lot to learn. Anyway, so. That's weird. Okay, so. You have done an update. And what sucks is you played a long time with all your games. Only problem is, when you try playing one of your favorite games, it disappears. Details. But you've put in a good amount of hours in your game. Right now, due to a patch error, all games will be functioning like this. Oh look! Let's go fix this. Okay, to fix with the Sims, this is a bit more harder, so why don't we do SimCity real quick. See how it says details? We'll have to actually run the game. First, we need to go to our File Explorer. This is for Windows 10 or above. So, let's go look for our local disk. Locate our program files, because that's what it normally installs. Locate our Origin game folder. It's Origin, but then it has our game folder. This should have all of our games here. Since I'm trying to figure out how to get Dungeon Keeper to work, there's actually ways of doing that, along with Dungeon Keeper 2. Let's go and try finding the Sims City. Here it is. SimCity. Now, we have kind of an issue. We have to actually locate the file. To locate the file, we need to actually look for the application. Here is the application. Just run the application. So it'll be under SimCity, apparently. You may have to do this with all your games. Eventually, because I did it with Mass Effect on a previous recording, it popped up as play again. And of course, Origin will minimize. That's really good soup. See how you can play it now? This is how a temporary fix. Some users may not be able to access that file. You can also do some recording as well, if you choose to, which is Shift Alt-F1, and you can access the browser. After when this is done, surprisingly multiplayer doesn't work anymore. You can go back to your Origin and select the Sims City, and then you can select Play. And that's how to fix that. I'll add it. I want to play the Sims 3 real quick. Because of all the expansion packs and the way that they're doing Sims 4 now, which is actually now a different file format. We have to locate the actual launcher. To do so, we need to go to the Into the Future, or I think that's like the last pack, Into the Future. We have to look for either game, bin, and then look for the Sims launcher. Once this is activated, it'll bring up the actual launcher itself. Please note that there's also icon files. We don't want to activate this yet, we want the launcher real quick, so it can activate in Origin. That still says details. There, Origin will minimize and disappear for a second. Minimize that too. Also, when you select Taskmaster, not all computers do the same, we should be able to see it pop up. So yeah. There we go. And look, the pets are coming soon. How long? And how many stuffed pets? Really? Anyway, now since that's now active, we can exit this out when we want to play it. And it should appear in our menu that we can now play it. This may be a temporary fix until they patch it again. Same as before. Go locate File. Go to The Sims 4. Locate Data. Client. Oh wait, no, it's not actually in there. You actually have to find it. Okay. So it's actually. Oh yeah, that's right. It's in game. Same file format as thing. And then we can actually run the game with no launcher. We can either run as 64 or regular. For those that don't know, you can just probably run the regular solution. 64 is for different versions. The two are from 32 to 64, which is different versions of the computer and how the operating systems are working. Once clicked on, it should go into the background of the computer, and then we'll attempt to run. So yeah, be correct. It's Sims 4 Game Bin. I keep mine in window mode, so it's easier for me to do two things at once, like watch Netflix and play The Sims at the same time. Thank you, window mode. It should start up. By the way, these are the actual people that made the Sims series, and then EA is the publisher. So yeah, they try making sure their products are really good, and the two that are here, every time I... God damn it, why can't I put it next to Steam? I literally let it go and forced my mouse back. That is very scary. Ironic too. So yeah, it should load up. When Sims trash is another man's treasure. Yeah, I can for that. I know someone was trashing a Star Trek record. Bought it for $1 and then turned around and made a profit off of it. But you gotta know what you're looking for. So there we go. Wow, they already added the pets thing. And when I click on it, it should... Wow. No horses? Really? Oh well. And the best part about window mode, I'm gonna do this and it will automatically do that. Okay. So you'll have to do that with a good majority of your games. It's a game that I've played a lot of. So Command Conquer 4 to run the application, and of course if you highlight your mouse over it, it will tell you what it is. Or if you have type enabled or this type of setting enabled, it will tell you if it's an icon file or an application file. So mainly, if you click on it, it should either pop up as one of these or the actual excerpt. I don't really want to have that run right now because the servers are dead and I feel very sad. So you can also get your Mass Effect 2 running by looking for the actual game itself. And this is like file digging. I really hate file digging. Let me just tell you. So docs. I have a feeling. There we go. So it's in this right here. And then locate the actual app. So this is actually the game and what? And you have the configure. I love how it's the server's logo. And you have the core. Wow, all these are dials and activation. So it's still doing the activation thingy. Okay. So that's pretty much how you solve this issue. If this video was helpful, you know what to do. And of course, this will be on Origion's website there. Okay. Oh, and if you're wondering, your Origin can do more things. You can even add a game from redeem products. That means if you have, like, I don't know, if you had an old version of The Sims, and yeah, or Origin game, which Steam also does too, which you can actually locate the game file, or in this case the XE, and locate it, and it will add a cool object file. Cool, right? Alright, so say you have a game on Steam, real quick, like Spore, or in this case, what most people have problems with, is actually Sims Medieval. Sims Medieval has issues working on Steam. The highly recommending is to actually put it over into Origin. You can do this by via getting the thing and adding product code, because it takes a while for Steam to process a purchase. This goes here. These are 2 tutorials in one part, but like I said, that's what this is for. Alright, so that's why I had Steam up. Alrighty, well, I hope this video was encouraging. This is the software I use to record and have fun.